Advice for that person feeling like they might be running out of time. That pressure that you feel, it's not urgency. It's motivation that's trying to save you. It's your nervous system in collapse. And you're interpreting the present as a threat. So when your body perceives scarcity of time, it doesn't make you faster, it actually makes you rigid. So your consciousness starts to contract. Perception starts to narrow. You lose access to the very creativity and clarity that you need the most. You're not running out of time. You're trapped in a nervous system state that distorts your relationship to it. In this state, time almost becomes an enemy. Every moment feels like it's being borrowed. And this is not reality. This is your body filtering reality through fear. Time is not running out. When your nervous system is stuck in hypervigilance or freeze, you don't experience time as being spacious. You experience it as collapse. Not because there isn't enough time, but because your body won't let you inhabit it fully. So this is why working harder, moving faster, end up not working, because you're trying to outrun a sensation your body is generating internally. So the solution isn't speed, it's change the state. When the nervous system downregulates, time actually expands. And this is not in the metaphorical sense, it literally expands. Your perception of duration actually shifts. So what felt impossible to fit into a day suddenly has the room. And not because you magically have more hours, but because you have more presence. This is why breathwork isn't just this tool for relaxation. It actually recalibrates how your body codes time itself. As that breath deepens, the system softens. Urgency starts to dissolve. Spaciousness returns. You stop chasing the clock and you start moving with it. And here's what I know from working with people in this exact place. The ones who break through aren't the ones who plan better. They're the ones that change the state that they're operating from. So if you're ready to stop racing against time that only really exists within your nervous system, I work one-on-one with people using breathwork and somatic integration to shift their internal experience of time, their internal experience of urgency and capacity. I also work with Ceremonial cacao or Ariba Nacional cacao, not as just this ceremonial ritual, but as a heart-opening ally that actually helps your system stay regulated when the pressure is basically on. So the link is in my bio or down below. Feel free to message me.